Hello, beautiful people. Two things can make your max tangle with your earrings: how you put it on and how you take it off. Don't just put it on over your earrings, but rather put it on and make sure the lower loop goes under and behind your ears so that it avoids your earring. Also, taking it off, you have to be careful. I noticed that if you take it off from the top, it tends to tangle with your earring at the bottom. Instead of doing this and getting your earrings all tangled up, I recommend that you first take the lower loop under your earring and over your ears so that you can take off your mask without touching anything but the ear loops. Stay safe, guys. Share with others. Bye.